One of the biggest challenges of running a Shopify store is writing product descriptions, blog posts, collection descriptions, and creating marketing content for social media. On top of that, merchants often need to hire professional content writers just to create SEO-friendly content that helps their store grow. To solve all of these problems easily, we created ZS Smart Content AI. With just one app, you can manage everything in one place, faster, easier, and smarter. All tools are beautifully organized into categories for a smooth user experience. After installing the app, you'll see our professionally designed dashboard where you can access all your updates, quick links, and recent activities. From here, you can also upgrade your plan anytime, which we'll discuss in more detail later. Next comes the Generate page, where you'll find all of our AI tools organized neatly by category. Everything is structured in a clean and user-friendly way, so you can quickly find the tool you need. Inside the app, you'll get access to 13 powerful AI tools in one place. We'll explain each feature in detail step by step. You can easily generate product titles, product descriptions, meta titles, meta descriptions, and bullet points for your products. With our SEO toolkit, you can analyze your content's SEO score and improve your content for better search engine performance. One of the most powerful features of our app is the bulk engine. With this feature, you can generate content for up to 50 products at the same time. We also provide dedicated tools for blog content, email content, and social media posts. With a single click, you can generate content for up to 6 different social media platforms. Using the FAQ tool, you can instantly create product-related FAQs. And with the collection description tool, you can generate optimized collection descriptions. Our Image AI feature allows you to analyze product images, generate product-related content, and create image alt text automatically, which is extremely useful for SEO optimization. With the translation tool, you can translate your content into 15 plus languages with just one click. Another standout feature of our app is the brand voice setup. You can save your brand information and writing style once, and from then on, all generated content will match your brand tone and personality, making it feel like the content was written by you. We also included a history feature, allowing you to restore and reuse your previous content with a single click. To make navigation easier, we organize tools into different tabs. For example, inside the Media tab, you'll find the Image AI and Alt Text tools. Now let's start with the Product tool. Simply provide some basic product information, select your audience, language, tone, and content type. Then click Generate with AI. Wait just a few seconds and boom, your SEO optimized content is ready with an SEO score included. After reviewing the generated content, if everything looks good, you can directly select your Shopify product and override the existing content instantly. In the same way, you can create blog posts, email content, social media posts, FAQ content, and collection descriptions. You can also upload images to generate and publish content directly from image analysis. One of our best features is the custom brand templates. You can create templates based on your brand style in advance. The next time you generate content, our AI will automatically create content in your brand voice and style. This is extremely useful for maintaining brand consistency and improving SEO performance. Overall, with ZS Smart Content AI, you'll have access to 13 powerful AI tools in one single app. To help our users, we also created detailed documentation where every feature is explained clearly and simply. We are continuously working on adding more powerful features in the future. So get started today and grow your Shopify store smarter with ZS Smart Content AI.